guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
A complete fool. Who be your mate for this space? Make I educate you. Who be your mate? Unda Kofa Vito. Who be your mate? Who you think say be your mate? Now me as one be your mate. Tire wait there for back. If you meet the one there for front. Yeah, listen, doc acts like that one we don't finish. Not because of my political campaign. The way I 14 they give you water. Now be say water. I don't tell you your life. If you test me any day, any time, I will teach you the lesson of your life. You see me one on one. That you did not get where say if they see you, person go come pro. Me go pro. See you. Any day I see you, you go on your knees. I'll break your 2 knees. That's what I'm going to do to you. Any day, any time I see you, I'll break your 2 knees. You go down before me any day, any time. Because that will not get sense. You can't talk say, now be your wife. Welcome to the Hall of Shame. Who be those 2 idiot mates? Incompetent fools on this space. Wanna be no knowledge. They won't carry their myopic knowledge come impact on people's side. I will wait until that day. Now Lagos, now where for Lagos, me and you go be meet. Anywhere, Abuja, Kaduna, anywhere. Benin City, from Vito. Your collection, with that, you won't die, Mark Kevin. Where they prepare you to this doom where they go to. You to collect, I know if you shot for here, but I will tell you, say, I know it's Fatobase where they talk, but I will tell you, say, you go receive water. You are not safe. You be most wanted from Vito. You are most wanted on the list of great men on earth. You are most wanted. On that day, I want to see what you do for Europe. When you go and do that pocket money, are you crazy? Are you mad? When they talk, you go to talk. When you go chop that money, what's there? You mad? We'll see where you go chop that money. You become a recluse. You hustle wrongly, you go wrongly. Don't take a second, you go wrongly. Don't take a second, you go wrongly. Idiot, useless human being. The most useless human being I've ever seen in this airspace is Vito. Stupid human being. What language can I use to describe Vito? So useless, and when they get crushed around, so useless. Idiotic, lazy, dog ass, idiots getting crushed for an idiot. Like Mama Kevin. We're so porous today. Mama Kevin, you be the most useless woman on earth today. This is my tag on you. You are the most useless woman on earth today. To come out, say you come marry an idiot like Fabito. You are the most useless. I've never started though. This is a preamble, but the way my heart is bitter, my eyes, my heart bleeds for you. The thing I will do you, from Vito and Mark Kevin. I'm waiting to achieve that thing. The thing I will do to now. You think you do this, you Frank Vito, you think you just do that, you go scot-free. You think it's so possible. You think it's so cheap to do it. You are that one of fear. You know the gravity of your offense. Mark Kevin, you know the gravity of the offense of Vito. To bring your children online. You choose to sacrifice your children as sacrificial lambs. You choose to bring your children as sacrificial lamb for the evil that Frank Victor have committed. Welcome, 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 Mama Kevin. You know, say we are waiting. Men they wait for Frank Victor. All this why. You know, say men they wait for her. It is say you just do the same, go scot free. This is a preamble. I never started. Frank Victor will get joy any day for his life. As far as they are alive, Frank Victor go do all your juju. As far as they are alive, you will not get joy for your evils you commit for this face. No joy will come to your life. No joy, nothing good will ever come to your life. I promise you that. For that your evil attitude. Whether I say they crush, you did for Germany, he did crush on you. That one it just show how some people not get a good sense of judgment. There are some like that. Mark Kevin, you are a weakling. You are so idiotic. You are the most stupid Edo woman I can say today. The most stupid Benin woman I can see today on this face. That's what you are. Mama Kevin, you are the most stupid Benin woman I can see on earth existing today. You think it will go so cheap for you to go marry for this place? Men will just cheat. You will see now. You will see how that marriage will take work. You don't know men with the hunt Frank Victor. Frank Victor will collect water, back and forth, left or right. Your prayer cannot work because your prayer is dead on arrival. Your prayer is not working because you don't get to know the right thing to pray for. You know what to pray for? They pray for evil. You are praying for evil to become the right thing to be done. That's what you're doing. How can evil make the right thing in society? How can evil make the difference in society? You pray for evil. From Victor, they insult women. You stay there, they take your long breast. They take your long breast, your laba breast, they pray for her. That breast will cut. I told you for my initial broadcast, that breast must be cut off. If that breast must be cancerous, that breast will get sickness. That breast will get all diseases on this earth. Every wonderful disease on that on planet earth will be on that breast which they pray for an evil man like Frank Victor. That breast is a disaster breast. That breast is not worthy to give any pikin to suck. That breast need to be cut off. Won't die. You dey mad? You think say na Frank Victor get mad pass? We don't do finish. You say get repercussion for all his sins. Everyone go keep quiet. Say Frank Victor not talk pass for this earth. They talk. Maybe because they call him abuse women. You know even say, oh, no recompetence. Nothing you can't show. Apologies to people you don't insult. Because they say you pray for evil, to promote evil. You are praying to promote evil. That's the more reason. In the spirit I believe in, you, Mama Kevin, not supposed to exist. You are a disaster to women, to womanhood. You're not supposed to exist. You are a big disaster to womanhood. People like you, not supposed to exist. Not supposed to exist. I share this to Mama Kevin and Frank Victor. I did between political matter, but Frank Victor and Mama Kevin, I promise myself I no go relent. Mama Ego, you not come out for this matter. I'm watching you. Not until you prove yourself. If the time I was ready to beat you, and not be say I not get keen to go flog for your house, but truth, the hot, that is truth I will tell Frank Victor. The truth. The only truth I have, now I will tell Frank Victor. Frank Victor principles are all based upon lies. All based upon lies. Not his truth. If you love truth, there's no reason you just see Frank Victor or the level. Baba Way Mumu, all the ways you just jump and pass because this whole thing are based upon lies. Not about principles that I choose to believe in before. Dirty lies upon lies. Dirty lies upon lies. Dirty lies upon lies. These are the best lies show I will see for this space that Frank Victor, anything about Frank Victor are lies. Frank Victor is fake. Frank Victor is a deceitful human being. Anybody that is worth his or her onions must not go to watch Frank Victor. Frank Victor just exaggerate to just find what he go take chop. Make it see woman we go use. Make it get document. That is his message. Or rather, based on his message, he don't find who. He don't hook those ignorant, depressed women like Mama Kevin. So today I want to talk, say they look and say they talk truth. They talk truth from Germany and Italy. They talk truth. They call the crushy. Now I can't go think, I can't reason say, huh? Now make Frank no respect woman because of this idiot like Mama Kevin. This idiot like Mama Kevin. Now make Frank no respect woman. Frank just believe say, hey, that's the way they do women they crush. You know, see those are sick, depressed, traumatized women. Traumatized. PSTD syndrome. Like Mama Kevin. Mama Kevin is traumatized. Mama Kevin needs therapy. Mama Kevin don't get anything to offer. All she does, you take her breast, you go wrap her. Valentine's Day, breast long. We saw it on this space. You want to talk his story. What did you see? He exposed herself, the mom. She gave us point to tell us, say, she and Frank Victor not give it the go. Frank Victor, this marriage, for as far as they here, eh? We are watching. Nothing. No, but apart from your marriage, do anything better. If any day we meet for Bongo, you crawl on your knees. I promise you that. You will crawl on your knees. You will crawl on your knees. You will beg for forgiveness. You will beg for forgiveness, and there will be no forgiveness for you. There will never be forgiveness for you. Share this thing, I'm not share. We're going to share this thing to Frank Victor. Frank Victor is an evil person. Frank Victor is so evil. So, which language I can use to define a human being like Frank Victor? And a person like you not just reach to buy a second. On a good day, I catch you for call. You not go reach. Or on a good day, I see you for big town. You not rich. You not feel rich. You don't know where I be. Me, I go disclose myself on public domain like this. You, Frank Victor, you not go feel rich. You are a boy. A boy you remain. And you take on this space, you are a boy. Any day, any time. Hide for anywhere for Lagos. I go find you, catch you. I will raise you. I will chase you out of Africa. I will erase you and I'm going to chase you out of Africa. That's what I'm going to do to you. I promise you that. A small boy from nowhere, an Okada rider, wait till say be human for your own myopic mind. You want to go educate men. We don't see better things, don't see better things more than you. Who are you, Frank Victor? Who are you? Who you be? Which school you go? Identify with one school. Then I can identify with 20 schools. Identify, say, Frank Victor and I begin so. A fool won't belong by fire, by thunder. You won't belong. Now, math. They beat people. You say they beat. Now, fools where they believe in you. For me, talk for now to eternity. Frank Victor, you remain a Jew, you remain all the days of your life. You are nobody. I cannot condescend so low to come tell you, say, this is not who I be. But I must tell you, in Nigeria, I will put you where you rightly belong to. Where you rightly belong to. Then you go there. You go, no. Do this thing for Europe. Say, hey, I will say, you go just stay here. You go sick. Mama Kevin, that document where you get from Mark, you want to get from Mark Kevin hand, me personally born her. I will born her from here. Where I did today, I will call all Italian immigration office. Maybe they watch Iobo, whatever. I get your name. I have your name. I have your name. everything. I have your name. If you want me, I place her. All your donation we get for Italy, I will just place her for broadcast right now. Or place her for you, maybe you say. To say made a joke. Maybe to say all your donation you get for Italy, I'll just place her for you, maybe you say. All the day for my phone. You wait document for Italy. You wait for eternity. That woman not fit give you document for Italy. Make I promise you, that woman not fit give you document because your donation too much for Italy. You not fit get document. As you just do so, that's so you go date eternity. That woman not fit give you document till you go die. Nobody can give you document in Italy. You know people don't donation you for your evil ways. That's so you want to get document. You wait, go marry 90 years a day. You know go get document. No go marry 150 years a day. You know get document for Italy. That's what I tell you. I know the joke. If you want to from tomorrow, they place all your donation where everybody donation you, they bring it to me. Won't die from Vito, an evil man. They find document by fire by thunder. They pretend say he love one's frustrated, dejected soul like that. We did it, we not get sense. And you find document. That document is not going to be possible. From now to eternity, you get document for Italy. And they laugh. And they look you, they laugh. You know if you get document for Italy. So just understand that fact. Because people don't do donation you. Your name, they ring for the system. So shut up your mouth and whatever. Give yourself hope. Drink Ogogoro. Come insult me. As you know how to do best. Before you know, scooter go for you again. Double. If scooter don't for you, you and Mama Kevin go accident for a car. When you stand for that car, Mama Kevin go confused, you get accident. Because your evil is so much. Your evil on this earth is so much. What an evil boy. Who won't give you document for Italy? Nobody from Vito. Just take your two baggage and your left two leg. Go back to Bongo. Go find your life. Italy not get document for you. Because the system shows say you be evil person. Nobody. Italian government not get document to give you. Seriously. I don't wish people e-lock, but Fabito have done so much damages, so much evil to the land. Say they talk truth. Truth my food. I play music for you. On your back who you be. Uhunda Fabito. Uhunda. Bad head, Fabito. Fabito, bad head. From the pit of hell. You're a bad head. You not get sense. You were born to become a disastrous person. Look at what you did to Abewa. You chop her money, finish. You chop her money, finish. That won't die. Mama Kevin not say, this one not be better person. Because Mama Kevin a crushy, they feel say they crush. Now Abewa they crush. What do you make una they crush for evil boy? Una no get sense. All these demonic Benin women, Abewa, Mama Kevin, una be demonic soul from the pit of hell. You people, Abewa, Mama Kevin, you are not a role model of any discipline Edo woman to look up to. Because they report it in the waiver, the dropper, but the message must be here. Abewa Mama Kevin. Maga no dey finish again for this world. Abiewa na Maga. Mark Kevin na Maga. After 4 children for 3 different men. What did you bring to this space? You want to come make you burn the package of those children? You're welcome to the Hall of Shame. Obviously, those children packages will be burned. Because Frank Victor don't insult people children. So those your children will be dragged into the issues. Especially the young content creator. It will be drawn into it. Seriously. Frank Victor not get mad past anybody. That truth could beat Frank Victor for this space. Frank Victor is an evil child from the pit of hell. So it is pronounced, it is known already. I not feel shout. I just preach the message accordingly as the Spirit direct me. Frank Victor is an evil person. Mark Kevin is an evil child from the pit of hell to put a children in the midst of Frank Victor. That woman don't know the respect. Papa Kevin, where you dey? Papa Kevin, rescue Kevin. Papa Kevin, rescue Kevin from the hand of Frank Victor. Down. From the hand of Mama Kevin, down. A deserted soul. Rescue Kevin, Papa Kevin. Let your voice be noted. Call me. I can help you. I can send my boys to go to find Mama Kevin. Tell me the information. I can send my boys. They will find Mama Kevin. Tell Fabito, this house not be for you. Fabito evil is so much. I'm not prepared to condone Fabito evil. I'm not prepared to look at this, to say, make I come out, say, not concerning. Fabito evil, as far as this is space, I'm concerned with Fabito evil. Fabito is demonic. Fabito is evil. Anybody with support Fabito, they are evil. They get DNA into their bone marrows, into their red blood cells. Evil. They smell, follow everything about them. That one is Asti. That one don't finish already. That one don't know nothing. That one not just no feel no nothing again. That one dey for house arrest. We talk where people they talk. Frank Victor is evil. Everybody where they collaborate with Frank Victor to spread this evil. We are here. I am here. We are here to go against all his evil ideas. All his evil ideas will not go unpunished. All the evil ideas of Frank Victor will not go unpunished. Evil boy from the pit of hell. Very demonic, very dirty boy. Now I can't teach people the way forward. If people can't follow your way, then the world will be a worse place for men to live in. Frank Victor, you don't have anything to say on this space anymore. Go and hide the shame. Seriously, now me I just want to tell you. I know you talk, say I don't know what I talk. Go and hide the shame and keep yourself where you rightly belong. And in as much as I did in this space, you don't have any right to call anybody, put anybody picture. Like you see, I'm not put your picture here. I'm not put your picture here. Yeah. Now my son Godalo and my wife, Daddy, my lovely wife. Because I prepare my home. Where? For me, you call the poor people picture. I call them. Who be so that right upon me? It's not done anyway. But because you see your people finish, you feel say if you talk because they do one thing, you don't get that ability to contest with you. You call the ask pictures from bitter until I go buy for this earth. You know what to call anybody on this space. You're not born you rich. What I want you to do, go clear your name. Whether you Bolingo, Mama Ego. If you don't know the meaning of Bolingo, then you know be guy we grow up for Bongo. If you not fuck Mama Ego, let us know. Let us know. Clear your name. Anything short of that, you don't have any business to call it talk. You don't get business to the talk for this space. As far as I'm concerned, you don't have any business. Clear your name based on that. Anything short of that, boy, you remain a confirmed Mugu. That's what you're gonna be from our school of thought. And from my school of thought, you are a Mugu, you are a Jew, you enter Lagos, you enter airport for Lagos, they will cramp you, you pass for a Keja, anywhere you go, they will cramp you. You are a Jew, a confirmed Jew. You collect water. You go collect water. I dey tell you, say, you go collect, you, Frank Victor. You go collect. Make that one where say they get crushed for you. Before I see you, they pray for you. We'll wait till that day. Make I see where that prayer will go. That one will collect too, join you. Her breast will they pray for you. They will cut and come out. For that prayer will pray for you. Evil woman. Devilish woman. Mama Kevin. Stupid woman. Evil woman, Mama Kevin. Evil woman. Evil. Demonic. I don't give a fuck whether the Facebook, they drop, whatever. But one thing is pronounced. Let the message go. Mama Kevin is evil. Very demonic. Very devilish. They pray for Frank Victor. If they insult Frank Victor, when Frank Victor don't hurt people, he will say, that hospital you go, you know, we will revive for that hospital. If you go hospital for Frank Victor sick, you know, come out from that hospital anymore. As you not get sense, you tell us for this space, say, after Frank Victor don't destroy people, you go to get feeling. You will get feeling for evil person. Say, because of, say, if people come fight for their rights, you can't get shock. You go to that hospital, that shock will buy you for that hospital. You know, will revive for that hospital. Never will you revive yourself for that hospital. Because we don't need people like you on earth. You got to go out of planet Earth. We don't need people like you, Mama Kevin, on planet Earth. You got to erase yourself personally, by yourself, because Frank Victor will go by himself, very soon. But Frank Victor by himself, go by himself, very soon. Frank Victor go by himself, very soon. Very soon. When the reality begin to grow, the reality gonna show and say, what he has done was so stupid. He go no say yes. He don't tell men. He don't tell men will be men. You they pray. You pray for Frank Victor to commit evil. You pray for Frank Victor to commit disaster on this planet, on this space. You are praying. What an evil woman. You they pray for Frank Victor to commit evil. You they pray for Frank Victor to commit atrocities. Hey, welcome to the Hall of Shame, Mama Kevin. Welcome to the Hall of Shame, Kevin and his brothers, whatever. Papa Kevin, where you dey? Papa Kevin, redeem your children from the hands of evil Mama Kevin and Frank Victor. I'm saying it loud and clear because it's not going to be business as usual. Because Frank Victor don't do people. I laugh in Chinese language, Frank Victor. Anywhere, any which way, back and front, you go collect water. Left and right, you collect those bars. Mat for mat, I'll give you. Action for action, I'll give you. Bongo for bongo, I'll give you. Level for level, I'll give you. I'll not be your mate. I'll not be your mate for this world. This world will end. Never will I be your mate. I'll not come Facebook on Rosu. Come insult who are not supposed to insult. to find money. God has blessed me already. A good one. Epic Clement, I see your comment. Mama Kevin and widow in advance. Seriously, a fact, a sound fact. You say widow in advance. Don't you say you just come brainwash people. He don't marry. He don't marry. Who you marry? To person will destroy people. You think say peace will reign for this space with me I did. I choose. Look my background. My political things I did do for dinner. But I say make I still tell Frank Vito say, Frank Vito, you're evil. I not forget, because if people like you they reason like this, we not get good political setting. We cannot think right to get good governance in Nigeria and in Edo State. Useless speaking, useless boy. Useless speaking, useless boy called Frank Vito. Useless speaking, useless boy, dirty boy from the pit of hell. You don't say Frank Vito one day, seriously say Frank Vito deal with better people, say that the reason we're together. Frank Vito is equally like a actuary, because they don't commit so much evil. You don't see them being free with people. They cannot ever be with people. Frank Vito, you don't think what I talk to you. I said today, I will tell you your stupid life. If you like open your business, nonsense. Everything about you, nonsense. Those days where Parara they promote you, it was based on those women where they believe in you. I bought their package. I drive all of them come for where you did. Don't feel try them again. Make them try. Make them come. Make them take it to Parara. I will burn their package again. I know them. I know all of them. Because we thought you meant well. Then there's nobody who will celebrate you on your birthday. That Obehi, where they come to your show, very soon, I will drag her out. Who she be, whether she be Mozo, whether she be Dwarfo, what she be, I will drag her out come for this space. Because you come to disturb my own. I will disturb anything will concern you. That one where they there, where it be like dwarf, where get a shorter hand, the way they say they do gym. Now she go be next. Mark Kevin plus her, I will say they beat you, I will bring and joy. Because you be evil. Any sane Edo Pikin where get wisdom, where get sense, should think wise to disassociate themselves from you. That is what they should do. You are evil. You be agent of evil. You be epitome of evil. Everything about you is evil. You fade. You be evil. And there I see evil, I will remember Frank Vito. If I see the word E-V-I-L, what I think, Frank Vito, you be evil. You be evil. You be evil. Nothing good will ever come out from you. Nothing good. As far for this space, nothing good. Nothing good. You be evil. You be epitome of evil. You be 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 evil. I remember that time when Richard they beat you. I can't comment. Hey, Richard, I support Frank Vito. It was because of you, Richard, insulted me. I never knew that you were so demonic. Richard Osadeye, whether they call Enogi, insulted me because of this idiot called Frank Vito for the first time. I never knew that this boy is so demonic. If everybody do, if everybody run, say, he won't go relax. This boy do. You know, see head, they go relax. So you collect. You will collect Frank Vito, and you must collect. Because if everybody go chill now, you know, offend men. If everybody no step on men toes. But you, Fabito, you know get peace. If you like get 2 billion fucking whatever, you know get peace. You have overstayed your welcome. There will be no peace for the wicked. You are a wicked boy and you must collect. They give you message tonight, you will collect. You must collect. You will collect. No enjoyment. For anyway day for Lagos. Men will come. Men go teach you the lesson of your life. You're not guaranteed one enjoy for this world again. In as much you don't think say now you get mad pass men one by foot. You can you go talk, go palace, talk go here, talk go left, talk go right, talk go center, go talk go front. You must collect. You will collect. You will collect. Except you want to become like monkey face. You don't enter Benin land. You don't enter Lagos. Anyway, day for Lagos. You must collect. I promise you that. From Victor, you will collect. You go receive. Water. Arsenals, torpedoes, men are coming for you. You the mad, you the crazy, you the bobo cigar. Who you be? Who are you, Van Victor? Who you be? Who you be for this earth? Who you be for Bongo? Who you be before you take Lapa enter Libya? Who you be? A fucking Okada rider. Before I know talks this, I was this, JTF this. Van Victor, you're nobody. As far as I am concerned, you're a nobody, you remain. You're a commoner, you remain. You're a nobody. A fucking nobody. You're a nobody. You're a fucking nobody. You collect. You collect. And they give you one in advance. Your collection. Eh? The tsunami force will go hit you, eh? It go hit you. Go away, go meet your people for Zagabo. Go hit them. Because you are wanted already. Most wanted on the list of men. You are most wanted on the list of men that matters on earth in Bongo. You are the most wanted. Most wanted on the list of men that matters. Men that run things. You are most wanted. You will see, make your mouth the shot where we go, where whatever you are most wanted. If you don't finish, you will die for eternity. And document you can never get. You'll be frustrated there entirely. That's what the whole things have been done already. It has been done. Sign, seed, and deliver. You know if you get document. You know if you get document for Italy. From tomorrow, I'll put one of your donation, your name. I'll put her. But I want beat you, I'll put your donation. This is your donation. I'll put her. I'll put her 1-1. I get all of it. A useless, dirty boy, stupid boy. Very here picking from the pit of hell. I've never seen anybody with useless, which from Vito. You know my existence, you know my living on planet Earth. I've never seen an idiot like Van Victor. I never see. We make love to Osho Pradmo, he can't tell us. He make love to Becky, whatever, he can't tell us. He make love to who? What else? And then I go do to Uhunda. Mark Kevin, now would they wait? Mark Kevin, that one just for straight. That one did the press. That one was a toaster. Based on what me I hear, what she talk about, man. And that one carry a body go give from Vito. That one are the press element. That one did the press. They cry. He say go send message for Vito. Vito go answer. Vito go look at. Vito no answer. The press women. depressed women, depressed Mama Kevin. Mama Kevin is an epitome of depression. Mama Kevin is a depressed woman. Mama Kevin needs to be taken back to Africa. They go seek for redemption. When they go wash her. That's what they call Uki in this land. May go do that thing, may wash stupidity out of her head. Mama Kevin, you be idiot. You be it can be Facebook rules. I don't talk many more before, but like I just cheap this one, Mama Kevin. You are the worst of the worst of the worst of the worst woman Benin's get to present in Italy. You are the worst woman Benin's get to present for Italy. I mean the talker, I mean the chester. I know put to talk Mate talker. I know be Frank meat. I'm made, I'm good, I've done things in my life. So Frank Victor is a boy. Mama Kevin, you are a nobody for 52 years. Hypertension, that belly, if you get that belly, it go vanish. It go vanish. It must vanish. I know you watch this broadcast because Frank Victor won't do too much. Make I just take the opportunity to talk to her. Make you know say, even though men pro, men they see her, men they watch. Frank Victor is a no-go. Frank Victor no-go area for you to enter bongo. You show yourself for where men stand. Men go take your leg. Another one will take your leg. They will divide you. You are a nobody, Frank Victor. A nobody you remain all the days of your life. Your wife won't die. Mama Kevin say they pray for you. Say make men not touch you. Men will come for you. Men will always come for you all the days of your life. And if Mama Kevin doing it, men will come for her. Men will come for her, I swear. Pray for an evil man like Frank Victor. Go tell yourself truth now. How can this woman come and say they pray for Frank Victor? We are the Edo virtuous women on this space. You not there. We couldn't ask Mama Kevin, what did they pray for Frank Victor for? If she's so useless, so frustrated, so dejected, say she sucks, say, you know, one married person a day older than her, they pray for Frank Victor. I listened to that tape. I was sick. I used to listen to that tape. I just invested. Which kind of woman be this? Which kind of demonic woman be this? Which kind of evil woman be this? Evil, there for evil. As Frank insult woman reach, they get crushed. You, Mama Kevin, for which city they, which commune they for Italy? Very soon I'll get you out. I'll find you out. You were having a crush for Frank to insult women. Person like you need to be taken to Sambisa forest to be used as a sacrifice to appease the human trafficking. Where some those do those days to bring women come Europe. Person like Mark Kevin is a good significance of whom they should use to appease the gods of our land. You are a symbol of what they should use to appease the gods of our land, to let others get sense, let others they comprehend well. not to come prepare evil, come dey crush for this space. Na so Pravito come say all the crushes he abuse. We never knew that you were the supporter, the promoter, the number one epitome what make Pravito get that momentum to do what they do. Evil women like you, Mama Kevin, an evil woman. We never knew you were there. That you, Pravito just say don't arrive. It don't become something else. We never knew that there was somebody like you, without no IQ, without no knowledge, being daft, being unprincipled, being depressed, being sick, being mentally not stable, to talk for real issues. When they concern real people when they active. We never knew that people like you were behind it. Now because they get power, they describe people breasts, they describe people pussy. We never knew people like you were behind it. We never knew. Now we have known there will be no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. You will not get peace for Mark Kevin. Pravito will not get peace. Two of you. No peace for two of now. There will be no peace for two of now. No matter what, no peace for two of now. Because we've seen it all. Pravito is not good. You are not good. You people cannot come to dictate the tune on how reasonable people reason on this space. Pravito and Mark Kevin are no good. Seriously. Pravito and Mark Kevin, they are no good. They must be put into where they really rightly belong to. They must be shoved aside. No reviews. I don't care about this, but my message this sound strong. It's a message for people to get sense. Because not as I see this generation, not be everybody gets sense. Not be everybody gets sense. Fools that they follow Pravito. Idiots that cannot change the tune, dictate what happens in society. Ignorant people follow Pravito. Very ignorant. Illiterates from the pit of hell that they follow Pravito. Pravito, I laugh at you in Chinese language. Seriously, I laugh at you in Chinese language. I did my house. I did here. Now my house I did. I know saga, but you're evil. I should insult Edo women, insult Benin women. I should insult women. I should call women pussy, whatever you think. But we thought you could have brought something X to make the changes, but to our utmost surprise, what did you do? You brought a grandmother on this space. Let's tell ourselves the truth. My haters who hate me, who like me, we'll tell ourselves the fucking truth. Pravito say, now be whatever, now they be otutu when they do whatever. Now be this Umaiwan. As that kind of person, what did that person do? He go hang for junction. After the Bolingo Mama he go, another one they crush for her. For Italy. That one tell us say, if you send a message, you know the answer. What a weakling, Mama Kevin. Pravito will use you to eternity. Pravito will use you. You told us. You just tell us. Say, yes, now you find Pravito. Pravito will use you. He will use you. That document, me for you, I will kill that document. You know, Pravito will never get that document. Pravito no will get that document. That's what I promise you. You don't get that document. petition on his name, he can never get that document. Never. You know, get that document. My people, I live now for dinner. Oh, that from Vito. Yeah, play music for you. You can see that document. not beg me to tell you. Collect. Collection time. Not beg me to tell you. Now the music is gone. One thing is sound and pronounced from Vito. You collect, you go receive, you go collect, you go receive, you go receive, you go receive, you go receive, you go collect. Men, pronounce your judgment. On behalf of men, I pronounce your judgment, you go receive. And receiving, you will collect henceforth. So, based on that, based on my political whatever, but I have to treat some issues because these are people that are not making society to be right. People like these idiotic individuals we get, people that came to Europe not having knowledge, not being based on foundation to know where they are coming from, neither do they know where they are going to. Empty people, waving, not educated. These are the people that will come to say they have a platform to educate. What are you educating people based upon? Frank Victor, what are you educating? Seriously, what are people like Frank Victor? Name them. Actuaries, Marjorie, Eddie Murphy. What do these people have upstairs? These people are confused. Eddie Murphy only took advantage of trafficking. He did his own impute, whatever. But he is not taking the glory that he stopped human trafficking. He never did. Seriously, he never did. The government saw that this thing has been a stigma. They now did the needful. But not for any food to take glory upon anything. All of the encompasses together, they are all idiots. Seriously. Put together all shenanigans. Put together all fallacies. Put together all wannabe. Put together they want to be something they can never be. They dream it, they think it, but they can never be it. They dream it, they think it. What you don't have, you cannot give. This is the obvious fact. What you don't have, you cannot give. But this seriously psychopath, they think everybody must believe in their own foolish ideologies. Is it possible? It doesn't work that way. We need practical things. Practicality make the world go round. There's this force of gravity. It says anything that goes up must come down. What else can I say to educate some unschooled element like Frank Victor, like Eddie Murphy? What else can I say to educate This misconcepted greenhorns that want to be by force. You cannot be by force. You must be there to understand the principles of the theories of life. The theory of life is just practical. Not for fools to think some things that are not realistically based on facts, on ideas. It's so painful. The laws of whatever, Isaac Newton, Edmund Burke, Socrates, these are things that change the world. There's some fools who come to tell us Benin get land from Benin to end of the world. What have those people done to particularize whatever to make an impact to the world? I laugh in Chinese language. This is just a preamble.